child. I'm not gonna have this.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Litchfield County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kent, 7 miles north of New Milford, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Milford, Kent, New Preston, Gaylordsville, Woodbury Center, Woodbury, Bethlehem, Washington, Morris, Roxbury, Bridgewater, Warren, Bantam, Hotchkissville, Lower Mary Hall, Marbledale, North Kent, Bulls Bridge, Upper Mary Hall, and Erickson Corner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.